itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Hi, nice to meet you. What's your name? My name is Chloe the Fly. A spider has 8 legs. A spider spins a web to catch insects for food.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
A plant needs lots of water and sunlight to grow. A snail has a soft body which is moist and slimy. A snail has a hard shell to protect its soft body. When a snail is scared, it goes into its shell to protect itself.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
Clouds are made of water. When a cloud gets too full of water, it rains.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
A banana slug is a large yellow slug that moves slowly.
Out came the sun and dried up all the rain.
The sun is a star that is very hot. Even though the sun is very far away from the earth, it gives us lots of heat and light.
And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Birds are the only animals that have feathers. All birds have feathers. Birds have wings with feathers that help them fly. Feathers also keep birds warm. Sun and rain make a rainbow. There are 7 colors in the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue,